As summer turns into fall, there are lots of things that start taking place. The activities we once enjoyed start changing, the way that we dress change, the days get shorter, and the weather gets cooler. Perhaps the biggest change we notice happening in the fall time is the things that happen in our environment. If we take a look on this beautiful fall day, the biggest change we notice is that all of these leaves on these trees are different colors. We see shades of green, shades of orange, shades of brown. I see yellow. Some leaves are red, and that's because the days are a lot cooler and a lot shorter. There's a lot less sunlight, and we know trees need the sunlight to continue growing. Once the leaves on trees start changing different shades of colors, we also know that this means they are drying up. What ends up happening, and here's a great example of it, is the cooler weather brings a lot more wind. Once the leaves are dry, they end up falling off of the trees and leave the trees completely bare. Now the ground in front of me is covered with all of the leaves that have fallen off of the trees. A fun activity that many children like to do in the fall is gather all of these leaves into piles and jump into them. The leaves that fall on the ground are also used as decorations for stuffing, scarecrows, or making any type of decorations for Halloween. Another change we notice happening in the fall time is how the animals start to adapt to the things that are happening around them. So the ducks and the geese in front of me on hot spring and summer days would usually be here with their young. Today there are only a few ducks and geese left along this riverbank, and that's because these animals know that the winter time is approaching, and many of them have started to fly south for the long winter days ahead. Because the ground is covered with leaves, food is a lot harder to find for most animals. Squirrels take advantage of this time of year to look for nuts that have fallen off of the trees. They then take this food and store it for the winter time.